Now dear students, before classes discussed about sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. What is the form of sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is called number of terms. Sn is called sum of n terms. A is called first term. D is called common difference. Another formula is n by 2 into a plus l. L is nothing but last term. So what is the formula for the sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yesterday we are discussed 6 questions. I will explain once again this question. Last question. 6 questions are given. Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus so on to 27th term. To calculate sum of 27th term, to calculate what they are given series 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus so on. To calculate sum of 27th term. Don't confusion here. In before question they given commas, but here given symbol is positive. Don't confusion. Whatever may be there, given plus or minus or anything. We can take first term where you can take first element. Common difference you can take any element minus before term, right? Given sequence is given series is 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus so on. A is called first term is 19. D is called common difference. Any term minus before term. We are taking 23 minus before term is 19. The value is 4. So they given any value 27. To calculate sum of the 27th term there one. That's why sum of 27. That's why we are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. To calculate sum of 27th term, not 27th term, 26th term. So n value is 26. So we need to find sum of 26 terms. N replaced by 26 by 2 into a value is 19 plus n value is 26 minus 1 into a value is 4. Now simplify. 2 1 ja 2 13. So 13 into 92 ja 38 plus 26 minus 1 is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. Now 13 into 138 value is 1794. So finally we got the sum of the 26 term is 1794. What they are asking to calculate sum of the 26 term, you have to calculate. That's why you are applying sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Next questions are they are given sum of the n value. They are given Sn value. We need to find n value. How to find n value is very careful. This is one method in this type. Next second method. How to find the n value? Here, seventh question. How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3 must be taken some amount must be taken so that some may be taken so that some may be minus 90. What then given to calculate how many terms of the series sum value is minus 90. How many terms of the sum of the value is minus 90 means to calculate how many terms. N is divided by number of terms. They are given number of terms not given. That's why we have calculated how many number of terms the sum of the value is minus 90. So we need to find n value. How to find the n value? Listen carefully. What is the given series there? Given series is 5, 4, 3 in arithmetic progression. A is called first term value is 5. D is called common difference. 4 minus 5 value is minus 1. We need to find n value. Sum of value they are given minus 90. Sum of value they are given minus 90. We need to find n value. We are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying all the values, sum of n values minus 90 is equal to, we don't know n value, that's why we are writing as it is, n by 2 into a value is 5 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 1. Now 2 is cross product left side, 2 into minus 90 is equal to 2 is cross multiplication, n into 2 5 is 10 plus n into minus 1 is minus 1n plus into minus into plus 1 into 1 is 1. Now each general product with minus 1. N into minus 1 is minus n, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 2 into minus 90 value is minus 180 is equal to n into 10 plus 1 value is 11 minus n into, after that product minus 180 is equal to n into 11 value is 11 here, n into minus n is minus n square. Now here n square must should be positive, but here negative is there. That's why this two values taking left hand side, minus n square taking left hand side, we should get plus n square. Plus when we are taking left hand side, we should get minus 11. Already minus 180 is there, right? Minus 180 is equal to 0. Now this is formed like a quadratic equation. This form like a quadratic equation. Now how to find the n values? I am explain quadratic equation. There are three methods. One is the factorization method. Second one is formula method. Third one is complete square method. This method, any one method you should apply. Finally we get the n value. So you are easily understanding. We are applying formula method. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 here. A is nothing but 1. Comparing with both the equation, in place of a value 1 is there, in place of b minus 11, c is equal to, in place of c value is minus 180. In all the function will be n will be, that's why we have calculated n value. What is the quadratic equation formula is n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the abc value in the formula. Minus of b value is minus 11 plus or minus square root of minus 11 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 180 divided by 2 into 1. Now simplify. Minus into minus 11 is plus 11 plus or minus 7 square whole square value is 121. Minus into minus plus 18 4 ja 72. 72 into 0, 4 into 1 4 into 1 80 value is 720 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Now n is equal to 11 plus or minus 720 plus 121 value is 181 divided by 2. What is the value of? So what is the value of root 181 value is? What is the value of root 180 value is? Tell me. 720 plus 121 is not 181. This is sorry 841. So 11 plus or minus root 121 plus 720 value is root 841. 841 value is 29. 840 root 841 value is 29 by 2. Now plus or minus 29. One time we can take plus 29. Another time we can take minus 29. N is equal to 11 plus 29 by 2. Overall and 11 minus 29 by 2. Now 29 plus 11 is 40 divided by 2 and 11 minus 29 value is minus 18 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 90 ja. How many values is possibility? One is the 20, another one is 15. So in value you got the 20 and these two values are possibility. Sum of 20th term value is minus 90 or else sum of 9th term value is minus 90. These two numbers are possibility. It is clear what they are given. They are given one sequence. Some value they are given minus 90. We need to find how many terms of this series means to calculate n value. That's why we are applying same formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are applying all the values. Finally we got the quadratic equation. Here applying formula method. So you know another method is factorization method also we can apply. We will get. Okay. Now we are applying quadratic equation formula method. The formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. We are substituting all the values. We get the root 841. Root 841 can be written as 29 square. Square root get cancelled. 29. So now root 841 value is 29. Plus or minus 29 means one is the plus 29, another one is minus 29. That's why we are taking separately, individual separately we are taking 11 plus 29 by 2 and 11 minus 29 by 2. 11 plus 29 value is 40 by 2 value is 20. 11 minus 29 value is minus 18 by 2 is 9. So minus 9. These two elements are possibility for the sum of the Sn value is minus 90, like sum of 20th term value is minus 90 is possibility, as well as sum of 9 minus 9, not 9, sum of minus 9. Sum of minus 9 value also minus 90. Both the values are possibility. It is clear how to find the n value. Everyone understand? The next question. Very easy. You are applying here. Don't worry, you are applying formula method or else another method is factorization method. You know factorization method we can apply. Okay? You don't know, we can follow the what I am explaining. Okay? Next question. Very easy. Next question. How many terms of this series? How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? 42 comma 36 comma 30, so on. Amount to 2 means total sum amount to 2 150. So don't confusion. Amount to 150 means total sum amount will be 150. Don't confusion here. So they are asking how many terms of this series to calculate n value. They are given one sequence or series. After that they are given amount to 150 means total sum amount they are given 150 means Sn value they are given 150. Don't confuse. Now given sequence or series is is 42 comma 36 comma 30 so on in arithmetic progression. Here a is called first term. What is the first term here? 42. D is called common difference, any term minus before term. 36 minus 42 value is minus 6. Total sum amount they are given 150 means SN value they are given 150. To calculate n terms values we need to find n value. Now applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here applying all the values. What the sum total amount is 150. N value don't know to write as it is. N by 2 into a value is 42. N is right as it is. N minus 1 into d value is minus 6. Now 2 is cross product. 2 into 150 is equal to n into 42 into 2 value is 84. N into minus 6 is minus 6n. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6. Now 150 into 2 is 300 is equal to n into 84 plus 6 value is 90 minus 6n. Now product with m. 300 is equal to 90n value is 90n minus n into 6n is 6n square. N value 1 square value also should be positive, but here negative is there. That's why this 2 value is taking left hand side. Minus 6n square take left hand side, we should get 6 plus 6n square plus 90n take that side minus 90n already plus 300. Now this is formula like a quadratic equation. Now we are applying quadratic equation formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. First step is comparing with quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is nothing but 6. B is equal to minus 90. C is equal to 300. Now applying the quadratic roots of the equation formula is n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substituting the abc value in the formula. Minus of b value is minus 90 plus or minus square root of minus 90 whole square minus 4 into a value is 6, c value is 300 divided by 2 into 6. Minus into minus 90 value is positive 90 plus or minus 90 square value is 90 minus 90 into minus 90 8100 minus 4 6 the 24 into 3 7200 divided by 2 6 the 12 minus 90 square means minus 90 into minus 90 value is 8100. 4 6 are 24 into 300 value is 7200. Now calculate n value. N is equal to 90 plus or minus square root of 8100 minus 7200 value is 900 divided by 12 is equal to 90 plus or minus root 900 can be written as 30 square. Square root get cancel, finally we got value is 30. Root 900 value is 30 divided by 12. Now we can write separately individual. One is the 90 plus 30 by 12. Overall as on 90 minus 30 by 12. 90 plus 30 value is 120 by 12 and 90 minus 30 value is 60 by 12. Now 12 1 ja 12 10 ja 1 values we got 10. Next 12 1 ja 12 5 ja. So what, how many values are possible? One is the 10, one more value is 5. The two values are possibilities. Sum of 10th value is equal to 150 or else sum of 5th value is 150. Everyone understand? understood? It is clear? Next, 10th question. Very easy. They are given one sequence. They are given total sum amount. They are given 150 to calculate n value means how many terms of this series means to calculate n value. Why is it given sequence we are writing as this? After that, applying the sum of the nth term form is Sn is equal to n by 2 into Vm plus n minus 1 into d. After substituting all the values, finally we get the quadratic equation. Here applying the roots of the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting all the values, finally we get the n is equal to 10 and 5. Both the values are possible to the sum of the 10th term is 150, sum of the 5th term is 150. It is clear? Next, 10th question. So very easy. Only applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. After that, whenever we get the quadratic equation, we can apply factorization method or else we can apply formula method. I am applying formula method here. Next question. So don't confusion. Sum may be given or amount will be given. Take as Sn value. Don't confusion. Next one is 10th question. How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? 2, 8, 14, so on. Amount to 352. What is the total sum amount they are given? 352 means sum of n value they are given. 352. We need to find n value. So now solution, given series is 2, 8, 14, so on in arithmetic progression. A is called first term. D is called common difference. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Total sum amount they are given 352. We need to find n value. Now applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to find n value. Substitute the values. Sn value is 352 is equal to n. 2 into a value is 2 plus n minus 1 into d value is 6. Now 2 is cross multiplication of the left hand side. 2 into 352 is equal to n into 2 2s are 4 plus 6 into n is 6n minus 6 into 1 is 6. Now 350 into 2 2 2 4 2 5 10, so 704. 2 into 352 value is 704. n into 6n, 4 minus 6 value is minus 2. 704 is equal to 6n into n is 6n square minus n into 2 value is 2. We are now n square also should be positive, but here also positive is there. That's why left hand side you can take right hand side. This will take right hand side. 6n square minus 2n minus 704 is equal to 0. Now this form is nothing but quadratic equation. We are applying factorization method or formula method. I am using here formula method. So now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. A is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 704. N is equal to formula method. Formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the values. B value is minus 2 plus or minus b square is minus 2 whole square minus 4. E value is 6. C value is minus 704 divided by 2 into 6 is equal to minus into minus 2 plus 2 plus or minus 2 whole square is 4 minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24. 24 into 704 value is 16,896 by 12. Minus 2 whole square value is plus 4. Minus into minus is plus 4 into 6 is 24. 24 into 704 value is 16,896. Now n is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16,896 value is 16,900 divided by 12. So n is equal to 2 plus or minus root 16,900 can be written as 131 whole square root it so that value is 131 root 16,900 value is 130 not 131 130 so 130 now root 16,900 value is 130 divided by 12. Now you can write separately with 12 2 plus 130 divided by 12 and 2 minus 130 by 12. Now n is equal to 132 by 12 and minus 128 by 12. 12 1 ja 12 11 n is equal to 11. Next one is 4 3 ja 2 minus 32 by 3. Here all the numbers only real numbers, but here we are getting rational number. That's why it is not possibility. Here given only natural number, not real number. Only they are given natural number, but here getting rational number. That's why this value is not possibility. It is not possibility. Only possibility element is 11. Only possibility. N value, how many values are getting? There are 2 values, but this value is getting rational number. Rational number not possibility for the sum of the nth term value. That's why negative values are as rational number. It is not possibility for the sum of n value. That's why this value is not possibility. Only possibility element is 11 only. So n is equal to 11 only possibility. Sum of 11th term value is 352. It is clear. Whenever getting rational number, it is not possible for the sum of the nth term value. It is clear. Next, fourth question or 11th question. Very easy. Any doubt is please ask me. So don't waste your time. So how many times you should practice easily we can identify the how to solve the questions. So be careful. We can learn each and every question. Don't confuse. I will explain. Whenever anything confusion is there, I will explain it clearly. So don't confusion. What they are given, which one you have to calculate, easily you can identify. Now, how many terms of the series? How many terms of the series? 1, 4, 3, so on. Total amount to 7, 1, 1. Don't confusion. Here also one sequence are given. Total sum amount are given. We need to find the n value. So now given sequence is 1, 4, 3, so on. What is the first term here? 1. What is the difference? 4 and minus 1 is equal to 3. Sum of total amount are given 700. 1, 5. We need to find the n value. Now applying formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying all the values, Sn value is 715 is equal to n by 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 3. Now cross multiplication, 2 into 715 is equal to n into 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into n is 3n minus 3 into 1 is 3. No, 715 into 2 values, 2 5 are 10, 2 1 is 1 plus 3, 2 3, 2 7 is 14, 1430 is equal to n into 3n, 2 minus 3 values minus 1. Listen once again, 2 into 715 values 1430. N we are writing as this, 3n we are writing as this, 2 minus 3 values minus 1. 1430 value is equal to 3n into n is 3n square minus n. So n square must should be positive. Here also positive there. That's why left hand value you can take right hand side. 3n square minus n plus 1430 taking left hand side should get minus 1430 is equal to 0. Now this is formed like a quadratic equation. 3n square minus n minus 1 under 3t is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is 3, b value is minus 1, c value is minus 1430. Now applying the rules of equation formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Substitute all the values. B value is minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3, c value is minus 1430 divided by 2 into 3. Now minus into minus 1 is plus or minus 1. Minus into minus plus 4 3 are 12. 12 into 1430. 12 into 1430. That value is 17,100. 17,160 divided by 2 3 is 6. Minus into minus 1 is plus 1, plus or minus 1 whole square value is 1, minus into minus is plus 4 3 is 12, 12 into 1430 value is 17,160. Now we need to find n value. N is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 17,160 plus 1 is 17,161 divided by 6. Now 1 plus or minus 17,161 can be written as root over 131 whole square. Square root get cancelled. 131 square root of 17,161 value is 131 divided by 6. Take individual. 1 plus 131 by 6 on 1 minus 131 by 6 equal to 132 by 6 on minus 130 by 6. Now 6 1 the 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is not 6 2 is 12. Remaining one is 6 2 is 12. One value is 22 on. Next 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is. Next 2 6 is 12. Remaining 10 is 2 5 is 10. Next. So 3 is not possible with the divided by. Now minus 65 by 3 because 3 is the rational number. This is a natural number, but this value we are getting rational number. That's why this element will be not possible. It is not possible. So only possible number is 22. Only possible number is only 22. Why we are not possible for the rational number means to calculate only sum of the natural number, but not we are adding sum of the rational number. That's why rational number it is not possible for the sum of the nth term. So only possibility element is 22. Last final question in this method. So very easy. Only they are given one sequence. They are given total sum amount. We need to find the n value. So only here applying one is the sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Next we are applying roots of the equation formula. So you don't understood how to solve the n value in this method. Next last final question in this method. Next question is how many terms of the series 35 comma 31 comma 27 so on must be taken so that some may be 1 and 5. What they are asking? How many terms of the series means we need to find the n value. What is the given series there? 35 comma 31 comma 27 comma so on in arithmetic progression. What is the given first one value? A is equal to 35. Common difference B is equal to 31 minus 35. value is minus 4. We need to find n value. What is the total sum amount they are given? 105. We are applying sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are substituting the values. Total sum amount they are given 105. We need to find n value, so we are writing as this n by 2 into a value is 35 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 4. Now 2 is a cross product, so 2 into 105 values 2 is equal to n into 2 into 35 values 70 plus n into minus 4 is minus 4n minus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. So 2 into 105 value is 210 is equal to 10 into 70 plus 4 value is 74 minus 4n. Each number product with n. So 74 into n is 74n minus 4n into n is 4n square. N square also should be positive, but here negative, that's why this value taking left hand side. Plus 4n square minus 4n square taking left hand side. We are getting minus plus 4n square. Plus 74 and taking left hand side will get minus 74n. Already left hand side plus 210. Now this form like quadratic equation. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A value is 4, b value is minus 74, c value is 200. Substitute the roots of the equation formula is n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So n is equal to minus, what is the b value here? Minus 74 plus or minus square root of 74 whole square minus 4 into a value is 4, c value is 210 divided by 2 into a value is 4. Now n is equal to minus into minus 74 is plus 74 plus or minus square root of minus 74 value is 5476 5476 minus 4 4 the 16 into 21 value is minus 3360 minus 3360 divided by 2 4 the 8. So now minus of minus 7 is plus 74 plus or minus square root of minus 74 value is 5476 minus 4 into 4 16 into 210 value is 3360. So now we need to find n value. So n is equal to 74 plus or minus 5476 minus 3360. We have to subtracting 6 minus 0 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2. So now square root of 2116 divided by 2 4 8, so the value is 8 is equal to 74 plus or minus square root of 2116 value is 46 divided by 8. Now n is equal to 74, one is the positive value you can take, plus 46 by 8 and 74 minus 46 by 8. N is equal to 74 plus 46 value is 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 5 is 12, so that value is 120. 120 divided by 8 and 74 minus 46 16, 14 minus 6 value is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2, so the total value is 28 by 8. Now we can elimination 8 to 1 remaining 40 is there, 8 5 40, that value is 50. Next 4 2 8, 4 7, that value is 7 by 2. Now this is a rational number, this element is not possibility, only possible element is only 15. So n is equal to 50. Sum of the 15th term value is 105. What they are given? They given one sequence series they are given total sum amount, they are given 105. We need to find n terms of the series. That's why we are applying the sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are substituting all the values, finally we get the one quadratic equation. So when you quadratic equation we get, we can apply the formula method or else factorization method. So we are applying the formula method. What is the formula method? Is minus b plus 7 square root of b square minus 4ac by. We can substitute all the values when we get the n is equal to 15. One is a 7 by 2. 7 by 8 is a rational number. That's why it is not possible for the sum of the nth term. That's why only one number is a possibility. That is value is 15. So sum of the 15th term value is 15. It is clear? You don't understood? Any doubt is there, please ask me. Okay, thank you all.